Did you manage to get in on the APTOS trade? Power pumping right now. A blasting 10% already for the day. Guys, APTOS is looking incredible. And if you missed out, then make sure to watch this video because I'm going to give you the ins and outs of how to trade this. Make some good cash from it. Let's not waste any more time, guys. What is APTOS? APTOS is ranked 35. That's its logo. APTOS is its name. APT is the ticker. It's up 9.5% currently as we speak. It's up 11.4% against BTC, currently sitting at $7.38. $1.6 billion in market cap, nearly just under $500 million in trading volume. That's massive, guys. The total supply is just over 1 billion. Circulating is 220 million. So there's still a bit more coins to come in on the market. But the fully diluted is $7.7 billion, guys. So this is already a pumper of a coin. If you were to spend $10 today, you would get 1.35. If you were to spend $100, you get 13.55 coins. If you were to spend $1,000, you get 135. If you were to spend 10,000, you get 1,355 coins. Now, guys, I'm going to blow your mind away in this video because the all-time high, we're down 63% from currently at just shy of $20. Okay, the all-time low up 7 months from 7 months ago, 140% already, $3.08. What exactly is APTOS? Well, let's go and have a look. APTOS Labs, or APTOS, is committed to developing products and applications on the APTOS blockchain that redefine the Web3 user experience. Our team of accomplished technical experts is dedicated to creating better network tooling and seamless usability to bring the benefits of decentralization to the masses. Now, I love that. I think that's amazing. One of the cool things, if you guys come over to products, you can check their names, Explorers and Wallets. You can go and check this out. I'm just showing you one example. You can connect your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet or whatever wallet you have. You can search names here. I'm just going to search whatever. My business name, Synergy Organics. Let's search and see what comes up here. synergyorganics.apt. Awesome. So yeah, I can connect my wallet. 1 year registration period. Domain cost is 1 APTOS. So 1 APTOS is $7.38, guys. That is dirt cheap right now. You pay an APTOS and you get an APTOS website that will be user-friendly in Web3, guys. I am getting very excited about this. Now, if you come over to their Twitter page, now please make sure when you do click on this Twitter page over here in their community, that when you land on that page, you go and click their updated Twitter page, which is this one, which is APTOS Network, not the APTOS Foundation. So APTOS is the layer 1 blockchain engineered to evolve, built with Move to create a home where developers build future-proof apps efficiently and enjoyably. Now, guys, APTOS is power, hey? APTOS is pretty power. They're doing a tour in Hong Kong at the Hack Singapore. And if you guys are there, enjoy it. You can apply to go to it over here, which would be pretty cool. I'm not going to be there, so I won't be doing that, unfortunately, but that's okay. So APTOS Labs is their partner, and APTOS 22 hours ago, and that's why we are pumping, has partnered with Microsoft to take Web3 mainstream on APTOS. This partnership is committed to accelerating global Web3 adoption using Microsoft Azure OpenAI service. Okay, which is ChatGPT, isn't it? Together, this will drive forward widespread adoption and APTOS ecosystem growth. You can learn more. Go and check this out. Let's go learn more here, guys. Learn more. So APTOS Labs and Microsoft is partnering like crazy. I think this is amazing. I love that. So what is APTOS going to get out of this? I don't know. We'll see. Who knows what comes out of it, guys. But this is a huge integration for Web3 mainstream. And APTOS is going to become massive. Now, you can see there's the pump on APTOS, 11.2%. Let us go and quickly have a squiz at the APTOS chart. And then we are going to delve into what the price of APTOS could get into the future, especially when partnering with a company like Microsoft to help onboard it with AI on top of it. Now, you can see in the short term, we are building this triangle pattern, which is actually very strong because we have created higher lows, but we have also created lower highs. Now, of course, that is a confusing moment, but on the daily time frame, here's the 200 moving average. We try to reach up to it, we were rejected. We try to reach up to this horizontal zone, which you can actually see if I pull this right back here. Look at actually how much resistance will be at this level right now. So even though we've had a crazy buy volume spike just like that, okay, it was pretty similar to that one. What happened here in this moment when we had the spike? We just went up one more candle and we were met at the 200 resistance, which ironically is meeting the 100 and the 200 pretty much at the same levels, plus my horizontal resistance level, which means and tells me, guys, that on this beautiful crypto, if we could maybe find support, which we are looking for above the ribbon right now, which is telling us we're pulling up here, you can see, that would be very good. If this candle closes like this today or pushes up into the green and closes below, above this downsloping resistance, guys, we are in for a very, very strong bullish momentum for APTOS. First target would be to get through this very difficult resistance zone right here. So if we can close a candle at this point above the 200 on the daily, that would be very, very bullish for me. There still is a bit of time here using the RSI as an indicator to tell me that we can go up a little bit more. And if we do end up going up, I would say that a good level of resistance would be up here, okay, at the $9.75 level, okay, which would be very, very beautiful for us to take some profits on that trade. And if you were to take a trade currently from where we are, although that would give you a 32% times 10x, that would give you a 320%. Although I just want to be very clear on something here, that we can be rejected, we can come back down and then create another higher low, and then get that momentum and that energy to really break through that resistance level, which is huge right now. So guys, that's all I want to share with you on the APTOS chart. If I go and show you on the weekly, we're still pretty strong on the weekly. We've got good buy volume coming in. It's telling us we're halfway. We can still get a lot of push up, a lot of momentum to the upside on this coin, which for me, essentially on the weekly, we are creating higher lows also, which would bring us up to at least this kind of zone. And if I had to be very real, we're probably creating higher highs here, besides for this crazy ass huge wick that came in here, which was a $72 price for this coin. And we had that massive crazy sell-off. So guys, I want to go and have a look at exactly what we believe could happen here on this APTOS price for now. Okay, so let's take that away. Now, previously the market cap, okay, the highest volume that we have had on this coin in a higher market cap was 2.8 billion, guys. 2.8 billion is only a billion more than where we are now. An extra billion would probably take us up to about $15 price on this coin. Now, I want to go and show you something very, very intense on the potential of this coin, guys. If this coin partnered with the likes of Microsoft and Facebook, well, this part of Facebook, okay, we know that. If it could bring in $20 billion market cap, what do you guys think we could hit on $20 billion market cap? I'm just going to be very modest. That's 200, that is 20 billion. Is it? 200 million, 2 billion, 20 billion. 20 billion divided by 1.628 billion gives us a 12.2x from where we are right now. So 12.2x times $7.38 would give us a $90 APTOS. A $90 APTOS, just at a $20 billion market cap. Guys, and I'm being very, very modest here on this coin. This coin could do a whole lot more than that, and I'm telling you in the future that this coin we would probably see much, much higher prices than this. And if you really want to know, I will do it for you guys, but this is, of course, not financial advice. That is a simple 12x from where we are right now, guys. I think APTOS actually has at least a $100 billion market cap inside of it. Now, what does that look like for us over here? So $100 billion divided by $1.628 billion gives us a 61x times $7.38 will give us a 453x on this coin, guys. Do you think APTOS could hit a $453 price point at a $100 billion market cap? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know what my community thinks. But yeah, Aptos is looking absolutely juicy. If we had to do that, guys, we would have a $453 Aptos, okay, which would be pretty decent, because previously on other videos, if you go and check them out on the cards above, I have previously said that Aptos would hit around a $450 to $500 price previously. So this aligns very nicely. That would bring it to $100 billion market cap. Pretty decent considering that they have Microsoft, which is a multi-trillion-dollar company, bringing through AI software that they have just invested in. AI is growing, Aptos is growing, Web3 infrastructure is growing, and Aptos are at the forefront of Web3 integration and now starting to use Microsoft work. So guys, if you guys enjoyed that, thanks for being here with me on the channel. And if you want to trade these coins with me and make some good cash, 320% like I said, well, then make sure to hit my Bitflex and my Bybit link and my other links down below in the description of this video. And thank you for being here with me. That will give you an awesome bonus, and I love you all. And by the way, if you are still here watching this video, only 47% of you that are watching this video are subscribed to the channel. 53% of you are subscribed to the channel, 47% are not. So can the 47% that are watching this that are not subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscription button for me. We love you all, and please make sure to watch this video, because this video was even crazier than this video. Thanks for being here, and we'll see you on the next one, beautiful souls.